Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are moving on to the next chapter in mathematics, that is quadratic equations, class 10th. So here, before going to the exercise questions, let us understand some basic concepts. So what are quadratic equations? So as you all know, the linear equation, so previous lesson was linear equation means here the degree of the variable is 1, right? The degree of the variable is 1. How we used to write? So linear, if I consider linear, we used to write ax plus by plus c, right? So here we have two variables, and both the variables here, if we consider their power is 1. Okay, so if the variable power is 1, we are calling it as linear equations, right? So what are about quadratic equations? So here, if we consider quadratic equation like this, observe here, and remember these are the linear equation in two variables. But remember, the quadratic equations always consist of a single variable. Quadratic equation consists of single variable. How we will represent means, if we consider quadratic, so if we consider quadratic, we represent it as ax square plus bx plus c. Observe again, ax square plus bx plus c. The highest power of this whole is 2. So if the power of the equation is 2, then we are calling it as quadratic. And remember, these has to equate to 0. So this is the standard form. We call it as standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, if the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then it is quadratic equation. But remember, if it is not equal to 0, what we are going to call it as? Ax square plus bx plus c. If it is like this, we will consider it as a quadratic polynomial. Remember, the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, only this much. If we consider it is equal to 0, then we say it as a quadratic equation. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here where we have a, b and c are real numbers. We are calling it their real numbers. Okay, so real numbers means it consists of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, okay, rational numbers and irrational numbers. All together we are calling it as ABC are real numbers. The only condition is a is not equal to 0 here. A is not equal to 0. Why a is not equal to 0? If observe here, if it is a is 0, anything is multiplied to 0, it is 0. So whole square will vanish. At that time the remaining will be only x. Yes, right? If it x to the power of 1, right? The power is 1. If power is 1, it becomes linear, not quadratic. So here the one condition what you have to specify is a is not equal to 0. So the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we are calling it as quadratic equation. If it is not equated to 0, then it is quadratic polynomial. Okay, clear? So here where a and b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So if I consider like this, some examples, if I consider examples, you can write any example like 2x square plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, anything, or x square minus 10 is equal to 0. Here b can be 0. Remember, here b can be 0. Here you don't have any b, right? Here you have b as 1. But here you don't have b. So b can be 0. But only thing is a is not equal to 0. If a itself is equal to 0, then we will not get the square part. Only we will get the linear part. Clear? So this is about the equation of quadratic form. Move on to exercise 10.1, the first exercise in this lesson. First exercise is 10.1, question number 1. So here we have two questions. In question number 1, we have 8 sub-questions. So let us discuss one by one. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. That means if they form like the general form, you have to check ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, we have to check that. So let us check now. So now how it is? Observe here, first sub-question. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So how it is like a plus b whole square, right? Observe here, I am not writing any reasons, just observe here, this is like a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So if I write like this, a square means x square, b square means 1 square, it is 1, plus 2ab plus 2, a is x, b is 1, so 2x is equal to, multiply this, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3 it is minus 6, 2 3s are 6, plus into minus minus. Observe here, now let us take all these to the LHS because our RHS is 0. Yes, right, general form, if we consider general form, it is 0. So if I consider all this side, what happens? X square plus 1 plus 2x, this plus 2x becomes minus 2x, plus 6 becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. Here you can observe, plus 2x minus 2x cancel, plus 1 plus 6 it becomes x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So if you observe this, therefore what you can write? It is in the form of how it is? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, right, you have this. But what is a here? A is 1, b is 0, c is 7. Okay, but only condition a should not equal to 0. Yes, so here it is in the form. Therefore this equation, the given equation is, therefore it is quadratic equation. Therefore it is, write down, quadratic equation. This is very simple problem that only you have to simplify this using identities and regular multiplication along the sign, and simplify it by shifting into the RHS to LHS, cancel it, check whether the highest power of the obtained equation 2 or not. If it is 2, yes, it is in the form of, write like this, it is a quadratic. If it is not there, you write it is not in the form of, it is not a quadratic. Okay, so this is about sub question 1. Let's move on to the sub question 2. Here, let me check here. So, and remember, don't conclude as soon as you are seeing x square. Sometimes it cancels. Okay, as soon as if you see x square, yes, it is in the form of, don't do. Complete simplification and wait for final answer. Then only you have to decide whether it is in a quadratic form or not. Okay, so let's simplify this. So x square will be as it is, minus 2x will be as it is equal to. Now let us multiply, regular multiplication. Minus into plus, minus 2 3s are 6. Okay, again minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, 2 into x, 2x. Now what is our next step? Take whole RHS to the LHS. X square minus 2x is equal to, this becomes, sorry, plus 6. Okay, plus 6, minus 6 become plus 6. Plus 2x become minus 2x is equal to 0. Now the final answer will be x square. Minus 2x, it doesn't cancel. If it is 1 plus 1 minus, it will cancel. But minus 2x, it is minus 4x. Okay, plus 6 remains as it is equal to 0. See here, yes, ax square plus bx plus c. In the place of a, we have 1. In the place of b, we have minus 4. In the place of c, we have 6. Okay, so therefore what you can write? Therefore it is in the form of, ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what you can write? Therefore it is quadratic equation. Okay, this is about sub question 2. It is very simple. This exercise is very simple. Just you have to simplify using identities and regular multiplication. Check the final answer. If it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then it is a quadratic. Okay, so this is about sub question 2. Let's question 3. See here we have two binomials. As you all know, the multiplication of binomials, right? So you all learnt in your lower classes binomials multiplication. So now let us multiply. So first term to first term, second term to first term, like this. So first let us take the first term. It is x into x. So regular multiplication, x into x, x square. Again the same x into plus 1, it is 1 into x, it is x. 1x, or you can write it as simply x. Now let's go for minus 2. First I took x and multiplied for both. Okay, x into x, x square, plus into plus plus, x into 1 it is x. Now I am going for minus 2. Minus 2 into x it is minus 2x. Minus into plus, minus 2 ones are 2. Clear? I think it's clear. Now let's go for RHS. Again x into x, x square. X into 3 it is 3x. Observe carefully, x into s, x square, plus into plus plus, 3 into x it is 3x, or x into 3, 3x. Minus 1 into x it is minus x. Minus into plus minus, 1 into 3 it is 3. 1 into 3 it is 3. Okay, minus 3. Now you can observe, so shift all to the LHS now. Shift all to the LHS. So x square will be as it is, plus x will be as it is, minus 2x will be as it is. Here also minus 2. Now this plus x square become minus x square, plus 3x becomes minus 3x, plus x becomes plus x, minus 3 becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. Now let us check, x plus x square minus x square cancel. Okay, let's see the remaining one. Here if I check here, observe here, plus x minus 2x. Okay, x plus x, observe here, x plus x, we have how many x here? If we consider only this much, x minus 2x, 1x, here observe 1x minus 2x. So it is minus x. So minus 2 will be as it is. Here minus 3x plus x, minus 3s x plus x means again minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Final will be becomes, it is minus 3x minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 because 1 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 3x plus 1, right? So you don't have any square form. It is not in the form of, so you can write it, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You don't have x square itself in this case. So it is not in the form of, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Just you write like this, quadratic equation. It's clear, I think. Just regular first term with first term, again first term with second term, again second term with first term, second term with second term. Write like this. Again the same procedure. Take everything to the LHS. Simplify it. Finally you got minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or if you multiply, you don't want minus, if you multiply by minus 3x minus 1 it changes. So, but if you change anything, you don't have x square itself. So it is not in the form of ax square plus c is equal to 0. It is not a quadratic equation. So let's move on to the fourth sub question here. So fourth sub question, if you observe, x minus 3, 2x plus 1 we have. So let us multiply the first term here, x into 2x. Observe, x into 2x, 2. Here if you consider it as 1, if it is nothing is there, you have to consider it as 1. Okay, so 1 into 2, 2, x into x, x square. Okay, observe carefully. Here don't confuse. Here x in, how we will write x into x, x square, x into x into x, x cube. 3 times. If you multiply for 3 times, it power rises. So here also 1x into 2x. So 1 into 2, it is 2x into x, x square. Again x into 1. So x into 1, it is x. Again minus 3. Minus 3 into 2x, minus into plus, it is minus 3 2s are 6x. Okay, minus into plus minus 3 1s are 3. So if we come here, x into x, x square plus x into 5, it is 5x. So let us take everything this side. So 2x square, here you can observe plus x minus 3x, plus x minus 3x, it is plus x minus 3x, it is minus 5x, minus 5x minus 3. So take this is minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. So now 2x square, it is doesn't cancel because it is 2x square minus 1x square. 2x square minus 1x square, it is x square. Minus 5x minus 5x, minus 5x minus 5x, it is minus 10x, minus 3 is equal to 0. Finally you got x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, right? You have square now. Therefore, what you can write? It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As you are getting, a means 1, b means minus 10, C means minus 3. That's all here. Okay. So therefore, what you can write? It is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Clear? I think you are clear in this exercise. Simply, you have to simplify using identity and regular multiplication. Check for final answer. If it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then it is quadratic. If it is not like this, it is not a quadratic. Okay. Now let's move to other sub question. Sub question 5. Here also we have two terms. Just it is a regular multiplication. Just it is a regular multiplication. Okay. Now first term with the first term and second term. 2x into x. 2x square. Observe. 2 into 1. 1x into x. X square. 2x into minus 3. 2 3s are 6x. Okay. Minus into plus. Minus 1 into x. X. Minus into minus plus 1 3s are 3. Regular multiplication. First term. Look here. First term with first. Again the first term with second. Again second term with first. Second term with second. Like this. Along with sign you have to multiply. Then x into x. X square. X into minus 1. It is minus x. Again plus 5 into x. Plus 5x. Plus into minus. Minus 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now by simplifying this and take to the LHS. So 2x square minus 6x minus x minus 6x minus x, it becomes minus 7x plus 3. Okay, now let us take this one this side. So it becomes minus x square. Here if you simplify this, minus x plus 5x minus x plus 5x, it is 4x. But if we come to the LHS, it is minus 4x. So minus 5 becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. Again I am repeating here. Plus x square, it becomes minus x square. But if you simplify this whole thing, minus x plus 5x, it is 4x plus 4x. But if it take to the LHS, it becomes minus 4x. So minus 5, it is plus 5 is equal to 0. So now let us simplify. 2x square minus x square. So it is x square. Minus 7x minus 4x. Minus 7x minus 4x, it is minus 11x. Okay, plus 3 plus 5, it is plus 8 is equal to 0. Observe here, the whole, it is in the form of, therefore, it is in the form of, how it is? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation. Question 6, observe here. Here you no need to multiply anything, write as it is, that is x square plus 3x plus 1 is x minus 2 whole square, right? So here how it is in the form of a minus b whole square, right? A minus b whole square. So what happens? X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square means it is x square. B square means 2 square. 2 square it is 4. Minus 2ab. 2 is this one. A you have x. B you have 2. Look here. A square plus b square, I wrote it as 4. Minus 2ab. 2ab means here you can write it as, if you multiply those two now, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 4. 2 2s are 4. It is minus 4x. Now let us take all RHS to the LHS. Now let us bring now x square plus 3x plus 1 plus x square becomes minus x square plus 4 becomes minus 4. Minus 4x becomes plus 4x is equal to 0. Now observe, if you observe, plus x square minus x square cancels. So remaining if we write plus 3x plus 4x, plus 3x plus 4x, it is 7x. Plus 1 minus 4, plus 1 minus 4, it is minus 3 is equal to 0. Look here, the power itself, the highest power itself, it is 1. It is not in the form of ax square. Therefore what you can write, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. So therefore it is It is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation, you have to write. Okay. So this is about sub question 4. Sub question 7. So if you come for sub question 7, x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Now how it is? It is in the form of a, if we consider it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the formula? What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? If I write here a plus b whole cube, it is a cube plus b cube plus, observe carefully, 3ab into a plus b. This is the expansion of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. All are plus here. Okay. So now let us expand same as here. So that is x plus 2 whole cube. Okay, first one is x plus 2 whole cube. It is 2x into x square minus 1. Okay, now this if we write it as a cube, it is x cube plus b cube, it is 2 cube. 2 cube means you have to multiply 2 for 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. I will write it as 8 plus 3ab, 3. Okay, 3 will be as it is. A means x, that is 3x. B means 2. 3 2s are, it is 6x. I wrote directly here. Here if I observe here, how it is like this. So if you observe here, 3 into x into 2. So 3ab. So 3ab I had to completely multiplied with this one. 3 2s are 6x. Again, a plus b. A plus b means x plus 2. X plus 2. Okay. Now let us multiply this. 2x into x square. 2x into x square it is, observe carefully, 2x into x square. It is 2. X into x square it is x cube. Observe it. X here power 2. So if you multiply x cube. So minus 2x. Now let us simplify this. X cube will be as it is. Plus 8 will be as it is. So plus, now remaining 6x into x, it is 6x square plus 6x into 2, it is 12x. Now let us take everything to this side. So it becomes minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Observe carefully. Here it is plus 2x cube, it becomes minus 2x cube. So here minus 2x, it is plus 2x. Now if we simplify this, first let's go for highest power. X cube minus 2x cube. 1x cube minus 2x cube, it is minus x cube. Next let's come to the x square. It is plus 6x square. Then 12x, 2x. 12x plus 2x, it is 14x. The remaining is 8 is equal to 0. So observe here the highest power is 3 here. It is cube. Okay, it is cube here. It is not in the form of general equation here. So therefore what you can write, therefore if in this equation it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. It is highest power is 3 but we have to get 2. So it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, let's move on to the last sub question in this question number 1. So again if we come to here, it is regular, so write it as it is. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, how it is, x a minus b whole cube here. A minus b whole cube. So observe here, a plus b, here we wrote a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. But here a minus b whole cube means the same will repeat, but instead of plus we will have minus. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Everything is minus. So let's compare the same thing. If you want, I will write here. So if I write here a minus b whole cube, right? So here a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Look here, everything is minus, here everything is plus, that's all. So now if we apply whole thing for this, a cube it is x cube minus will be as it is. B cube means 2 cube. So 2 cube means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again 3ab. So again I am writing here minus will be as it is 3ab. 3 into x into 2, again 6x. The same thing here. How we wrote here, the same will be remains. A minus b. A minus b means x minus 2. So now let us copy the same thing. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, here x cube will be as it is, minus 8 will be as it is, minus 6x into x, it is minus 6x square, minus into minus plus 6x into 2, it is 12x. Okay. So now let us bring everything to the LHS. So what happens? X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, this is minus x cube, minus 8 it is plus 8, minus 6x square it is plus 6x square, plus 12x becomes minus 12x is equal to 0. Observe here, x cube minus x cube cancel. Then let's go for x square. Minus 4x square plus 6x square. Minus 4 plus 6. It is 2x square. Again minus x minus 12. Both are minus minus. Minus x minus 12x. It is minus 13x. Minus 13x. Then plus 1 plus 8 it is plus 9 is equal to 0. Finally, observe the qubits cancelled. The final it is 2x square minus 13x plus 9. So therefore, it is in the form of how it is, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, right? In the a you have 2, in the place of b you have minus 13, in the place of c you have 9. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Okay, the only thing in first question, just you have to simplify with regular multiplication or using identities and check the final answer whether it is in the form of general standard form of quadratic equation or not. Then if it is in the form of general form, write it as a quadratic equation. Otherwise, write it is not a quadratic equation. So this is about question number 1 in exercise 10.1. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, share with your friends and keep watching. Thank you.